Hello there. Today we are going to start with session 4, that is about media planning, a very important topic and a heavy topic for exam where definite questions are expected and have been asked since over a decade. The link for all my classes have been already given session wise, and also the notes for the first unit have been uploaded by me already on Moodle, so do not forget to check it out. As you can see on my screen, we are studying today from marketingevolution.com. This is a very good blog, and I came across these notes which are very helpful for all of you to understand media planning in a better way. What is media planning that we are going to see? Whenever we plan for something, maybe it is a picnic, maybe we are going for an outing, if we are planning something and a group of friends, we all are sitting together, the first question we are going to think where to go, means which place are we going. We will think about what date, and if date and venue is fixed, then we will think about what time to start, who is going to bring the snacks, who is going to do what. So these all WH questions, it keeps on revolving around our head, and we think what to do and how to do, when to do. Same, media planning is a process whereby marketers determine where, when and how often they are going to run the advertisement in order to maximize engagements and rate of investment or returns. Media plan might split advertising spend and resources between various online and offline channels. I have already been telling about different kind of medias that are available. Now here, broadcasting, it can be telecasting, it can be print advertisement, it can be online, offline, etc. We all know advertising field is very crucial, very competitive in today's world. There is cutthroat competition almost in every field. If I have to prosper as an advertiser, if I want to have successful ad campaign, there are many things that I have to see. In the second and third session, I already told about T and S, that is buying of time and space. This is what is the prime duty of a media planner to do. He has to think at what time, at that right slot, or buying that right space, I am going to send the message to the audiences and they are going to seek something out of it. If you see in the second paragraph, it's given here, media planning is where marketers determine what their rights are. An effective media plan will result in set of advertising objectives, opportunities that are target specific audiences and fit in with the organization's marketing budget. Now, when advertisers or media planners, they have to see what kind of following factors are going to be taken into consideration. As I told in the last class, what are the factors influencing a choice of media? It is just a continuation to it. After deciding my medias, I'm going to see how am I going to approach with the plan and how am I going to implement that. Now these all are kind of questions that we have to consider. Who does the ad need to reach? It means obviously who is my target audience. Target audiences are those audiences. I have given a code for that, that is called as RLV, readers, listeners and viewers. They can be of different age groups. For that we have to study the demography, their age, income, gender, family background, status, educational level. These all factors are very important. Then comes their psychological aspect, their cognition level, etc. So I have to see whom am I going to give the message and whom am I desiring to reach the message, who should get my message. Then what is the marketing budget? Marketing means advertising budget. What are my conversion goals? Conversion rate or conversion goal again is how you convert your audiences who are watching the television or viewing your ad into actual buys. The frequency of advertisement, that is how frequent your message is sent. The repetition of the message, reach of the message, it can be across India, it can be globally, it can be locally, it can be regionally. And how to define success? If you have to be an advertiser who is very successful, you have to streamline the pride code. That is, I already told in the last class, pride code, then CS, BI, BL, CI, CA, these 10 codes. Those are advertising objectives that we have to look into or take into consideration. Media planning is most often done by media planners at advertising agencies. Media planners must work with media buyers and the client at the organization to develop a strategy to maximize ROI on media spend. Media planners are required to have a firm's understanding of the organization's brand and target audiences. Various media platforms and developing media trends are also considered. Guys, in the next class, we will continue with the same topic and put more light on media planning and media buying. And there is a small difference that I'm going to explain about it. If there are any doubts, please let me know so that I can clear your doubts. Apart from this, there will be definitely a question asked on what is media buying, and definitely role of a media planner will be asked to you. So please go through the notes and links that I'm sending. Check out the Moodle and let me know if there are any doubts. Please message me there. Thank you.